Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate CRM tasks with Pipedrive step by step clearly. Open Pipedrive and log into your account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find and select the automation section. Click on the Add Workflow button to create a new automation. Choose a trigger for your workflow, such as a deal moving to a new stage. Select Deal from the options provided. Define the specific conditions that will activate the automation. For example, you can choose when a deal is marked as won. Next, identify the action you want to automate. Click on Add Action to specify the next steps. You can select actions like sending an email or updating a field. Fill in the required details for the action you selected. For an email, input the recipient, subject, and body content. If you're updating a field, choose the field and specify the new value. Once your conditions and actions are set, review the summary of your automation. Make sure everything is correct and aligns with your intended workflow. If satisfied, click the Save button to activate the automation. Test the automation to ensure it functions as expected. Create additional automations for other tasks, repeating the previous steps. Monitor the performance of your automations in the Automation section. Adjust any settings as necessary based on feedback and results. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your CRM tasks in Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.